Right, so my name is Ramujan. Today I am doing the unboxing of my pre-order. So it's the latest Samsung phone which I got on pre-order. Any guess? This is S22 Plus, and let me just unbox it in front of you. So this phone has 256 GB memory, so it's that version. And I choose a different color this time, which is the green one. And this is the box, which is there, small box. And let me cut it open. Okay, I'm moving it in front of you. I haven't seen this mobile so far. Okay. Surprise! So it's not a mobile, it's a mobile cover. Okay, let me open the other box. Okay, so I ordered the mobile cover as well. So mobile is there, it's a heavy box. Okay, and this is the latest phone which has got 4500 mAh battery, and it is recently launched globally, and this is not available in any of the stores so far. So on the Samsung website you can pre-order this. There are schemes, offers which is there, exchange offer is there. You get say Samsung Buds 2 also with this, and then there is a heavy discount if you exchange your Samsung phone. So that's what I have done. I have exchanged my earlier phone, Samsung Note 10 Plus, and now I got this one. So here it is. I am also excited to open it. Great. So this trip S22 Plus, let me show you. Let me just open this. Okay. So I'm cutting it, opening it. Yeah. It's a new phone. Okay. Now okay. So here it is. The first look. And this is for the first time in my hand. And it's a green color. You can check this. It's a nice green color. With triple cameras here. Yeah. Okay. Keep checking my video. Let me explore this phone and make another video. Again, the phone. So that's the phone. It's a cool, green color phone which is there. And in the box, there is a pin, a SIM extractor pin which is there. And then it comes with a cable. So nowadays they do not give any headphone or a plug. So that's the C-type charger which comes with this particular phone. And watch my more videos for other details. Okay, so let me show you the other box also which I opened first. Right, so this is the box I opened first, and this has got the original Samsung cover as well, which I ordered with the phone. So it's a cool cover. Let me open this. It's taking a little time to open. And this comes with the LED display, and it's in black color. I like the black color most. That's why I ordered this. Here is the original cover which gives lots of protection and the LED display to the phone. And here is the phone. I have just switched it on, and then I'll put it in the cover. So finally signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.